H2x is an intuitive engineering design software that automatically sizes and calculates the engineering systems that you design. Alongside a wide range of other exports, H2x allows you to export system designs directly into AutoCAD. Once you've completed your design in H2x and reviewed all your sizing calculations, you can export the system directly into AutoCAD through the H2x plugin. This turns designing and drafting into one continuous process, cutting out unnecessary steps and removing the need to redraw your system in AutoCAD after the design and calculation stage. This approach helps speed up delivery, reduces the risk of errors, and keeps your project moving forward with fewer delays. And when you export from H2x, all component sizes are carried directly into AutoCAD, so no need to rely on somebody manually reading and redrawing from markups. You can even map your export to match your company's layers, templates, blocks, and symbols, so that the AutoCAD drawing looks and feels like it was built entirely in-house. Skip redrawing, skip double handling, and save time. That's AutoCAD integration with H2x. If you'd like to optimize your workflow with H2x, head to our website and book a one-to-one free demonstration with one of our specialists, and sign up for a free trial. But if H2x isn't just for you, we also offer large-scale implementation plans for entire teams of engineers.